Come and get it now. Come and get it now when you're ready. Hi, Selena.
Hi.
Hi, SG. How are you?
I'm so good. How are you?
Good, thanks. We just played your Smash record. I was just singing along at the end of it. Not well, but I was singing along at the end of it. How has it been since we had a chance to debut it a week or so ago? It's been received well, huh?
Yes, it has. It's been so good. I've been really excited to hear it on the radio. I've heard you guys play it in the car, and I was really excited. So it's been good, and I'm really happy.
Great job last night.
Oh, it was so much fun. I had the best time. It was so much fun.
If you were nervous, we couldn't tell.
Yay, good.
You played it off. And by the way, you know, when the song came out, we put the song up on our website. Website crashed.
Crashed.
Like,
I heard that. That's crazy. I'm so happy. That makes me
yeah, I mean,
that
it's
sucks for you guys, but that makes me so happy.
it's a good sign for you. So, due to the caliber of the crash, Selena had been working on a couple of things in her head about how does she share with the world this music. And I know that you are here to talk about this Stars Dance World Tour that is launching, which is a massive undertaking for you. What can you tell us about it?
I'm so excited. I will be doing my first world tour, and the American dates will run through October 10th through November 20th. And I'm really excited. Tickets will go on sale on the 20th, and you can come to my site and you can buy tickets.
And what's the site? How do you say it? Selena Gomez?
Yes.
.com? November 6th is when she's playing Staples Center. This is, as you said, your first world tour. This is a big venue tour, isn't it?
Yeah, it'll be my first kind of arena tour, which will be fun too. I got to play bigger shows last time, but we had a shorter tour, and we didn't get to play as much as we're going to on this tour. So it's going to be a bigger show. I'm excited. I've been dancing a lot, so I just really want to entertain people, and I'm super stoked.
What will the themes be of the show?
I kind of miss shows when it used to just be about the dancing and the performing, as opposed to how big and elaborate the stage is. So I kind of want to get back to that. I mean, my favorites were like Britney and Janet Jackson. So I kind of want to do a little bit more dancing and just make it about the entertainment and about the show and the songs, as opposed to how big the stage or how many effects we can have.
Right on. And does your dog get to go along? Does Baylor get to go?
Oh, Baylor doesn't get to come, but
no.
It's okay. I'll come back. We're going to have some breaks in between.
Stars Dance World Tour information is up at RyanSeacrest.com. Give you details on how you can see Selena, when and where. And as news breaks, Selena, you know how to reach us. Just call us anytime.
Yes, thank you so much, you guys.
Okay, sweetheart.
Have
Take
fun.
care. Bye.
Bye.
Dancing.
Yes.
I like it.
Come to Millennium.
No, I'm going to the Selena concert.
Oh, okay.
But not till November.
Right.
But I would love to go to Millennium.
Let's get in the studio.
Would you like for me to bring lunch by sometime after you dance? Or you want me to dance with you?
Yeah.
I don't think... Do guys do your class?
Yeah. There are some.
Is it jazz?
No, it's...
Shoot.
Oh, you want jazz?
Well, it's the only thing I know.
It's like whatever songs we're playing, it's like dancing to that.
What do you call it?
We call it salt.
You call the dances?
No, we call the class salt
Why do you call it salt?
because you sweat a lot. You sweat so much you can taste it.
Okay.